name is Madison. Today we're gonna make strawberry cake with vanilla, frosting,
cream cheese,
eggs, and we're gonna
pour them in the bowl.
Pour them in the bowl so you don't make a mess. Cool. You're actually pretty good, I think. But pour an egg and
Cup of water.
1 cup of water, and
Pour it in.
There's some. No, that's okay. 4 cups of water and
1/3 of a cup of vegetable oil.
1 cup of vegetable oil.
1/3.
1/3 cup of vegetable oil. And there we go. Don't pour in too much, kids.
Pour it in there.
Pour it in there. Okay.
Did you hear what she said? Don't pour it in too much,
That's and there we go. And we're gonna make 4.
Okay, can you put the bowl in there for you?
Okay. And we're gonna make it into batches of cake. And my mom and dad, I mean my mom is trying to taste it. This is gonna be the best baking soda ever. I ever make a cake.
Okay, dump it in there.
Okay? So kids, don't try this at home. Or else you're gonna make a mess.
Pour it from here.
Put it and there we go. And
Okay, pull the mixer down.
okay, ooh, sorry.
Okay, use this hand to turn it on.
Okay.
Right there, that's good.
Whoa! I didn't realize I needed to do that. So good. Don't make a huge mess. Whoa!
Turn it up a little.
Okay.
1 click.
1 click and
There you go.
whoa! Look, I'm making strawberry icing.
Okay, turn it up some more, Maddie.
Okay. I will use the mixer. Whoa! It's going so fast. Whoa! Whoa! I haven't used the mixer yet, but still, I'm not sure about it. Whoa! It's going to make a mess. Whoa! Whoa!
Turn it up more.
Okay. How do you do
That's good right there.
Whoa! It's going so fast! Whoa! Whoa! Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to go make it all crazy. Whoa! Whoa! Okay. And let's see how they taste. We haven't used these
You gonna spray the spray into the pan?
Yeah.
Okay, spray it. Need help?
How do you press the button?
Hold on, let me help you.
Yeah, this is not how I do it at home. Ooh. It almost got on me, but the strawberry icing is gonna make 2 cakes, but it makes 2 cakes, but it's 3 layers.
2 layers.
2 layers. I know I need 3 layers of cake. We're gonna need probably about 60 cakes. And I, oh my god.
Oh, we made a mess.
Oh, Oh yeah, sorry. Yeah, we haven't made 2 cakes, but if we
Okay.
cake mix.
Start with this one.
Okay. So kids, don't try this at home. You're gonna make a mess. That's what I said, sorry. The words came out of my mouth. Don't make a huge...
Your spatula. Pull it out of there.
Wow. Okay. Ew, gross. We're gonna need to put them in the oven for like 16 hours.
16 hours for a cake.
Yeah. So we can rise, then we're gonna put the toppings. Now we're gonna do the second layer. Don't put too much into a layer of cake. That cake looks good. The strawberry. So we're gonna add our onions. When I hope they don't stick to the cake too much. Remember?
Now what?
Now we're going to do put these in the oven to bake for 8 hours.
For how many minutes?
8 minutes.
No.
9 hours, I think. Let them remove.
Let's go for
8 hours. We don't see. Whoa! This cake's on the taste so good.
30 minutes.
40 minutes? Oh yeah. Wait.
Okay. And
The cakes are in the oven. We're gonna make the frosting.
just reach over there and shut the door.
I just did.
No, the oven.
The oven door. Oh yeah, sorry. So we're gonna let them bake for like 20 minutes. We'll be back in 45 minutes. We're gonna make pink frosting. First, we're gonna need
Put the frosting in the bowl.
the frosting in the bowl.
So, put the frosting in the bowl.
Okay. This is easy. Whoa. This.
Use your spoon.
Oh yeah, sorry. Like this one?
Want me to help you?
I can do it. Big and strong. Grr. Whoa, whoa. It came out so easily. Now, that cake is gonna look so good. Now, turn it up. 4 or 5. Whatever you want to do. So, let's do
One more.
one more. Okay. Don't try to time it. You're gonna make a mess, or else you're gonna make a big mess. And oh yeah, sorry. Whoa! I think that's enough. That's enough for everything. Your boy, guess what you're loving up. Just you. Just you.
Okay. 3 drops.
3 drops.
Let's go with 5. 5 drops of red
5
food
drops.
color.
5 drops of food color. 1,
2,
2,
3, 4,
5.
5. That's enough.
Oh yeah.
Okay, now stir it up.
Okay. This thing is stuck. You're right. See that?
Want me to help you?
Yeah, because this thing is stuck to the cake. Whoa! Whoa! This cake is gonna look so yummy good. Now, let's make it. There we go. Now, we're gonna put the top layer on the cake. Oh my god, this is gonna look so yummy. Now the 3 layers are cooling down. Now,
How's that look?
that looks great. So, now let's make
How's it taste?
it tastes. It tastes like strawberry. We'll see you when the cakes come out the oven. We're gonna slice up some strawberries to the top.
Okay, you ready?
Yep. Now let's
Take the knife.
take a knife and
Don't cut Grampy's fingers.
don't cut Wimpy's finger. And there. The cakes are almost ready. Now let's do this one. There we go. And there. Now let's choose stop. Try. Now let's do the stem. Always ask for the supervision. So, now let's take a knife. There we go. Now let's take our cake out of the oven. This little thing is for me, and we're gonna eat it.
Get it?
Okay.
Now put the rest of them in the bowl.
Oh. One. 2. 3. 4. Go.
So check the cakes for you.
Let's check the cakes and see if they're done.
Okay, you keep putting the strawberries in the bowl.
Okay. Now we're done. So, whoa! These cakes are gonna taste so good. 1 and 2, 3. Wait until they're done. Okay.
And then I'm going to tell you they don't take as long as those little pans.
All right, get them last 2 and put them in there so we can get the cakes out.
Okay. There we go.
Did you get that pan down? Round?
cakes are done.
The cakes are done. Now let's put the layers on. We put 2 layers of cake. There's 5 layers. Whoa!
There's our first layer.
Here's our first layer. Here's the second layer. We're back with the cake. And
Hold on, calm down, take a deep breath. Just say, and now it's time to frost the cake.
Now it's time to frost the cake. Now it's time to frost the cake. We're gonna need.